Class 3, hope you all are fine. Today we will revise the back exercise of chapter number 3, Investigating Plants. The first question of the back exercise is put a tick for true and a cross for false. Give a reason for your answer. And the first statement is plants take in water and salts through the root. So this statement is true. Look in this picture. Roots of most plants grow in the soil. Roots fix a plant firmly in the soil. Plants need water and salt. Root take these from the soil and give them to plant. Some plants store the prepared food in the root. Number 2 is potato is a root with food stored in it. So this statement is wrong. Now we write the reason of statement number 2, and the reason is potato is a stem. Look in this picture. Potato is a stem. A new potato plant can be developed from the potato, which is an underground stem. You can see in the picture, this one is its underground stem. Look in this picture. These are buds of potato. Each of these buds can develop into a new plant. The food for the baby plant is stored in the potato. The third statement is water as well as food travel through the stem. So this statement is true. All plants have stem. The stem is the main part of shoot. It takes water from the roots to the leaves. Leaves use this water to make food. Leaves prepare food for all parts of plants. Stem take this food to all parts of the plants. Stem supports the plant above the ground. The fourth statement is while making food, plants use up carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. So this statement is true. While making food, the plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen gas. And plants also need sunlight and water to prepare their food. Leaf gets its green color from a substance called chlorophyll. This substance is necessary for the leaf to prepare their food. The fifth statement is a plant kept in a dark room during day can make food. This statement is wrong. Now we write the reason of statement number 5. The reason is no. Plants need sunlight to make their food. Plants need sunlight to prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. If the sunlight is not available, plants do not prepare their food. Sixth statement is food prepared by plants gets stored in the fruit only. So this statement is wrong. Now we write the reason of statement number 6. The reason is plants can store food in roots, stems and leaves also. Some plants store the prepared food in the roots. And we eat these roots, for example, carrot, radish, beet roots. Some plants store their food in the stem. Its best example is sugarcane. Sugarcane is a stem which store the food. And some plants like cabbage and mint store their food in their leaves. The third question is name these, and the first statement is the two kinds of roots. And the answer is taproot and fibrous root. Roots of most plants grow in the soil. Roots are of different kinds. Some plants have main long roots. Several thinner roots are grow up from the main roots. This type of root is called taproot. And other plants such as grasses have many roots. All roots are about the same size. You can see in the picture all roots are same size. These roots are attached to the stem. You can see in the picture there is no main root. This kind of root is called fibrous root. The second statement is places where a plant stores food. Give one example in each case. The answer is carrot store their food in roots, potato in stem, cabbage in leaf, and apple in fruits. In this picture, carrot is a type of root is called tap root. Carrots store their food in the roots. The second plant name is potato. Potatoes store their food in the stem. A new potato plant can be developed from the potato, which is an underground stem. And these are called buds. Each bud can grow and develop into a new plant. The food for the baby plant can be stored in the potato. The third plant name is cabbage. Cabbage store their food in their leaves. And the fourth plant name is apples. Apples store their food in their fruits. The third statement is plants with weak stems are called dash. The answer is climbers. Look in this picture. Some stems are weak. They cannot hold the plant upright. Such plants climb with the help of a sport. You can see in the picture grapes plant climb with the help of a sport. These are called climbers. The fourth statement is gas that plants use in making food is called dash. The answer is carbon dioxide. While making food, plants take carbon dioxide from the air and gives out a gas called oxygen. The fifth statement is green substance without which plants cannot make food. The answer is chlorophyll. Look in this picture. Leaf gets green color from the substance called chlorophyll. This substance is necessary for the leaves to make their food. That is why only plants with green colors can make their food.